Welcome to One. Here our clinic philosophy is simple: to help you feel the most authentically confident that you can be. We all have concerns that affect us in different ways, for so many reasons. It may be our skin, specific facial features, signs of aging, scars, perhaps about not feeling as confident about our bodies anymore. You may have lived with your concerns all your life and now are positively deciding to seek help. Or there may be new things we notice after the stresses of life, such as pregnancy, divorce, medical illness, or career strains. Many of our patients are looking to improve their health and well-being in general, not just their appearance. They may be interested in expert nutritional medical advice, psychology services to improve their mindset, or meditation and breathing techniques. As a team, we strongly believe in equality and patient education. We welcome adult patients irrelevant of gender, education, culture, or ethnicity. So what makes us different from every other cosmetic clinic out there? The fact that we are not a cosmetic clinic. We offer a truly holistic and bespoke service to every single patient. Our patients frequently compliment us for our ethical standards and the fact that we genuinely care about your journey. Of course, collectively, our expertise, level of training and education is evident. Internationally, we are renowned in both aesthetics and nutritional medicine. A lot of clinics are a little bit about vanity, but we aim not just to make you look better, but feel better. It's certainly not to make you look like everybody else. Any treatment should make you look the best version of yourself, to celebrate your individuality, to improve your self-esteem and confidence so that you feel empowered, to take forward the things that you want to do, be in your career, socially, or in your personal relationships. So in the UK, we live in one of the most multicultural areas in the world. We treat patients of all different sorts of backgrounds and ethnicities. Ethnic beauty and individualism is one of my key academic interests that I teach around the world. We treat patients who are professionals, businessmen and women, lawyers, a lot of other doctors, as well as full-time mothers, carers, and lots of other roles. Of course, we treat people who are also scrutinised in the public eye, such as models, actors and actresses. But the one thing that they all have in common that seems to attract them to our clinic is that they are all highly discerning people, irrelevant of their background. They are smart and well researched, and they decide that they want to have the best. Not only in care, but in terms of outcomes. That means a lot of our patients are really very discreet and are very private about the kinds of procedures that they have. So our clinic is not going to bombard you with a lot of before and afters, nor that marketing style pressure, because our patients are so private. So we often talk about achieving the best version of yourself, but what is that? You know, some people do actually want to look younger than they actually are, and others want to look significantly more beautiful. But from the research that I've performed worldwide, we also know that a large majority of people that seek treatment actually just want to look really good for their age. Most patients definitely don't want to look different, or for anyone to notice that they've had work. And that's the secret to really good aesthetic work. It makes you feel better and empowered, whilst nobody else can really tell anything has been done. You'll be told how well rested you look, how well you look, perhaps even slimmer. For those that want to look more attractive, we can definitely achieve that too. Of course, we treat a lot more complex patients. So those patients that were born with deformity, have had facial trauma, scarring or burns. They are a large part of my practice. They always have been, and I hope they always will. Helping these patients is a huge privilege to me. Around about 30% of my patients are in this category, and a lot of these patients just want to look normal. They want to be seen for who they are, not their scars. We treat these patients with genuine compassion because it can be very intimidating and frightening walking into a clinic to discuss your appearance. I'm happy to say that irrelevant of why a patient attends our clinics or what their medical needs are, we have patients that have followed us for over a decade. Most of our patients come from word of mouth, referrals from other doctors, and recommendations by the media. Many of our patients fly in from all over the world, Europe, the Middle East, Asia, and America, which is why we needed to be so close to an international airport. These are usually patients that have heard of our international and multicultural work. I think that the diversity and high demand of our clinic is testament in itself to the level and combination of luxury and compassionate medical service that we provide.